There's this saying that loud pipe saves lives, and I have to agree. When I was running the SNS compared to when I was running stock, I noticed that vehicles were more aware of my position. Because they were aware, they could be conscious about either giving way or just being mindful of where I am. Because they don't just have to rely on their sight, they can actually hear that I'm there. And I feel like that helps drivers to be more aware. And in doing so, it keeps us bikers safer. And so that's my thought process. Now that I'm running stock, I have noticed that road users aren't as aware of where I am compared to previously. But that's just my observation. I'm sure that you drivers you might have a different perspective or take on this, and that's fine.